Do you want to know how you can share your Telegram link on Facebook? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can share your Telegram link on Facebook. Go ahead and open Telegram and go to this three dots option. Go to My Profile and click on this. Now you can see that this is your profile. To share your profile, you can add people, including other people, after you go to My Profile and share your account. So if the function is not here, what you can do is click on this, go to Settings and scroll a bit down and find Devices. Now you can go to link desktop device and scan the code and you can share the link, or else if you want to share a group link, you can copy the group link over here. So go ahead and open this and you can see that you can copy the link over here and you can go to your Facebook account, and if you go to this and paste it over here, you can see that this way you can share your Telegram link on Facebook. So you can open Telegram on your phone, and if you want to share your group link, tap on your group, copy the group code. After you click copy, it will be copied. Go to your Facebook and you can send messages like this, or you can just paste it here and share it on your news feed. So this is how you share Telegram link on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.